This video is sponsored by Hoover, and the time has come to give the hardest working room in our home, our laundry room, a bit of a facelift from this to this. And it was all done on a very tight budget. Stick around and I'll show you how. For starters, we got new cabinetry. The other system was showing its age, it was peeling, and the doors was about to fall off their hinges. It was just time for something new. With that being said, I kept the same layout because it really worked well for our family. My first tip is to buy stock cabinetry if you can. It's an absolute cheapest way that you can get what you need for a laundry room, and check online. Facebook Marketplace is another great option, and Habitat for Humanity as well. The biggest impact in this space is the wallpaper. Lots of bang for your buck, and you guys, Bed Bath & Beyond has a huge sale on peel and stick wallpaper. I ran to the price checkout hoping it would be less than what it was, and I was right. When I got to the checkout, it was less than 12 bucks. It was only $9 each from $50 regular price, and I saved a ton. I paid $72 for 8 rolls of wallpaper. You guys have seen me use my Hoover Smart Wash, which has been a game changer for keeping my light, bright furnishings and carpets looking their best. I love that you do not have to hold down a button to dispense the solution or the water, and it automatically shuts off and picks up the water while you're going backwards, as well as drying it all at the same time. My pet peeve that I didn't like to do was cleaning up, but this is no worries. This is really easy to clean up. I always like to clean my smartwash every time I use it. Just remove the cover and the brushes come out easily. This way it's all set for when I'm ready to use it again. Tip number 3, shop home goods for drawer pulls. They have endless styles. Over the spring, I came across these beautiful gold and faux leather drawer pulls and knobs. I mean, look at the price. You cannot beat it, right? Home goods always come through. And then I've added one of my favorite small design details, this vintage inspired latch design that adds a timeless addition to your cabinet hardware. Another tip, shop your home before heading back to Home Goods. You already know my love affair with ginger jars, and they will forever be classic in my opinion. I'm adding this dish tray to place my scrub brush for stubborn stains, although this is decor for sure, but they can also be used to store your dryer balls and loose change, etc. There is no more classic color combination better than blue and white and gold. This is what I'm currently devoted to. The color combination is so appealing and it will stand the test of time. Which brings me to tip number 4, is to add artwork to your space. Every room can benefit from a decorative touch. Another way for you to save some coins is to take pictures of vignettes that are styled in your home, like I did. Pictures of what? Ginger jars, of course. That was taken by me, and frame them in any frame of your choice. Tip number 5, add whimsy and function by using a decorative ladder that can double as a drying rack. It is perfect for small spaces, and they are affordable. You can get them from Kirkland's or at home stores for under 40 bucks. The best addition to this space was adding a little folding station. I mean, I wish I had this sooner. I can immediately fold clothes straight from the dryer. Upper cabinets were definitely a game changer as well for storing batteries, extra light bulbs, and room to grow. I've shared my laundry room organization a few months back, but I'll link it below in case you guys missed it. It's been working like a charm. There's so many benefits for beautifying the most utilitarian room in your home. Soothing surrounds is what I like to call nurturing, and may order bring you good things. I hope this video has been helpful and hopefully it will inspire you to get your home in order. I'd like to give Hoover a sincere thank you for sponsoring this video, and I will be sure to leave a link to the Hoover Smart Wash down below. And I want to thank you all for watching.